This is a 2023 Chevy 3500 Express Cutaway box truck. It's 16 foot. The big 6.6 liter V8, which up here in Denver, awesome for pulling the highways. They don't bog down like the smaller motors do. And it's in super nice shape. Oh, I gotta zoom out. It's big. Box is in great shape. I don't see any real damage or anything. Tires are in nice shape. I actually drove this one personally back from when we bought it, and it's a good driver. Air's nice and cold. Open up the back here for you. One thing I like, we saw a lot of these where they've got the more secure doors instead of the roll-up doors. I'll see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. I like the air vent. I think that door opens up, so you get a nice pass through. Sold a bunch of these in the past to folks that do trade shows and stuff, because their stuff's a little bit more secure than with a roll-up door and just a padlock. Power locks. Power windows, seats are in nice shape. $103, $146 on the miles. Air's super cold. I do like the arrow top, so you have a little bit of storage up here. Chevy makes a heck of a gas V8. This thing sounds awesome. They're super reliable. I've had nothing but luck with these. This is the motor that replaced the 6 liter, which was fine, but I'll always take more power, more displacement. I've had it emissioned already. It's been through detail and our shops. It's been serviced and inspected. If you have any questions about it, or if I can get you any more information, feel free to call us here at the dealership. 303-286-1665. You can also see more pictures on our website at dyeautos.com. That's dyeautos.com. Thank you.